Aim. The aim of the Smart Door Alarm System project is to create a security system that detects when the door or window is open and alert you of any intrusions.
Materials needed: Arduino UNO Mega, buzzer, 9-volt battery, IR sensor, jumper wire.
Working this door or opening with a building door alarm system on. When door is open, they automatically close it from the thief.
Advantages. Door alarm can be very effective home security device, alerting you if someone tries to open the door in your home.
Future scope: more security system, more advanced system, more remote terminal mobile applications.
We hope that you like our project. We heartily thanks to our management, all the mentors and teachers who helped through the project in the ATL lab, which also help us to think